the beam by looking down the end to sight an upward arch, like a rainbow. We always set our beams long. Once beams are set up on the posts, make sure each end of the beam is extending past where it needs to be. Level post and toe nail the beam into the post with the framing gun, shooting 4 nails into each post, 2 on each side. Double check that your support posts are all level both ways and apply post to beam brackets. Set up the laser at the top of your ledger. Distance from the top of the beam to the laser equals the joist size. Measure the distance from the top of the beam to the laser line above each support post. This should be the same measurement at each post.